Good morning, kids. Hard work and dedication is always rewarded. Have faith in yourself and work towards your goals. Yes, that is the story about the Fogart sisters. The determination and the hard work that they had has paid them off. Remember the wrestling sisters? Yes, children. I know you have seen the movie and you have loved the story, and this is what I wanted you children to be. Have determination for your goals and try achieving it. Today we'll do the other activities of the lesson. So let's start. Words to know. Stereotype. A widely held belief about a person or a category. Yes. Stereotype means children having a thinking about something. Right? So that is what stereotype means. Emulated. Copied. Spare. Spending time on an activity. Sibling, brother or sister is called as sibling. Now be mindful. Go on the play field during game period. Stand and look around carefully. Observe the area from a different type of sports and physical activities. Observe the different classes with different age groups who are there. See the different parts of the body being used in different games and sport. Consider your own body. Notice the difference of muscles, feel the strength of each part of your body. Imagine how your muscles has to work in coordination with the others to get the result. Close your eyes and concentrate on how each muscle group has to do exercise to achieve something. Think it is important to work for your maximum potential, or it is important to first win or to win first. Yes, children. Now you can do this at home also. If you're going out to play on a park, just stand and see the people around you. You must be seeing small children, playing football. Somebody is swinging, somebody is playing with the ball, others are riding bicycle. You also see how their body parts are working, right? In every game we have to use a different body parts. If we are cycling, we have to use our legs. If we are playing cricket, we have to use our hand, our legs. So every body part has an important part in playing a game. And it is always important that we should focus on the game and not the result. Okay, you should play fair, you should play with all your potential, try to winning the game. That is what the mindful is all about. Now let's see the question and answers. Which state are the wrestling sisters from? So they were from Haryana. Who was the elder sister? Geeta was the elder sister. How could Vinesh not win the medal in the Rio Olympic 2016? Because what happened? She has injured her knee, so she could not win it. Who was the second to win the medal after the elder sister? Babita. What is the lesson you learned from the story of the Fogart sister? So we have learned that with determination, that with hard work, we can achieve our goals in life. No matter if we are failing once, twice, but we should not give up. How did the elder sister set an example to follow? Yes, the elder sister set an example to follow, that hard work, determination, never to give up attitude to all the rest of the sisters. Now what are the achievement of Babita Fogart? So Babita Kumari, in 2010 she won the silver medal in Commonwealth game, and in 2014 she won the gold medal. Then she won the silver medal in 51 kg freestyle in 2010 Commonwealth game. She again won a gold medal in 2014 in 55 kg category in the Commonwealth game. Now name the 6 Fogart sisters. The 6 Fogart sisters were Geeta, Babita, Ritu, Vinesh, Priyanka and Sangeeta. Now let's see. Close your eyes for a moment and think about the skill, talent you have. How can you excel it? Then note your thoughts and work hard to excel. Yes, now think what are you good at? What are your positive? What skills do you have? Write it down in this box and also write how are you going to achieve those skills. Now Tony and Tutu. I climb on a rock, swinging on a tree, walk on the ground, see how fit and healthy I am. I also lap on the ground and fly long distance in the sky. I am not lazy, I am also fit and healthy. Yes, children, to achieve our goals, to have a good sports life, we need to keep ourselves very fit physically and mentally. So do a lot of exercise, play around. Okay, don't think that you are at home, so just be lethargic, sit at home, watch TV, sleep all day. No, do physical activities so that you can stay fit. Now subject connect, games and physical training. How do games and sports help us? Games and sports help us to keep ourselves fit. What are the advantage of having a fit body? So if you have a fit body, then you have a long life, you don't have unnecessary medical issues, and you stay mentally fit also. What games do you play? Now you need to write what are the games that you are playing. How do you choose your games to play? So now what are games you are playing? You need to write it down here. Value for life. Be determined to excel in all spheres of life. Wake up early morning so that you can spare half an hour studying and revising your previous day work, and half an hour to do your breathing and yoga asanas. Yes, children. Your schools are not open right now, but that does not mean you get up late. Start getting up early, give yourself half an hour, revise your previous homework, or see if you have an homework pending, do that homework, and then a little bit of exercise also. Try doing this every day. That will help you to stay fit and fine. Be wise. Determination is the key of success, which can overcome any barriers in life. The world has a long list of sports personalities you can overcome through their physical and intellectual disability, and have brought a large name to nation. So now you need to write the sportsmen, children, who have bring us medals. Now there are some people who have disability also. Try to find out their names and write what they have achieved. Activity. Take a drawing sheet, write it on the lines given below, and make, mark and decorate. Put it on the wall of your room and where you can see it each morning. Work hard and success will follow. So write these quotations on that drawing sheet and put it on the wall. Each day is a new dawn. Take it as it present. Unwrap it and enjoy. Yes, children, these are the positive thoughts that we should follow. Now make a scrapbook of Indian sportsmen who has excelled in the field in last 50 years. Yes, so now you can make this scrapbook and you can write any cricketer, footballer, tennis player, badminton player, whatever, boxer, whatever you want to write. Google it and see what all sportsmen we have who has achieved their names in last 50 years, and make that chart and keep it in your room. Okay, with this, children, I take your leave, and I hope you like the story and you will also be focused and determined in your achieving the goals. I'll see you in the next class. Bye bye. Take care.